5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Right now, we're gonna just basically unbox this Ruvati 45 sink, and it is such an awesome sink. It's 45 inches long. It's a workstation sink that converts your kitchen into a full-fledged workspace. It's awesome. So I just got this because we're currently in the process of remodeling our kitchen. A little remodel, I'll say that much. The box was well packaged. Everything came the way it should have, the way you would expect your items to come. And they had all the cardboard and styrofoam, everything you can possibly think of. As you can see, I already opened it, but I just wanted to give you guys a brief of what it should look like when it arrives to your home. They have it in this nice little silk looking bag to protect the steel, which was really nice. And it's a really large sink, you guys. 45 inches, man, that can fit a whole lot of dishes. And you can serve a lot of ice, have big parties. It's amazing. I can't wait. I'm very excited to get this in. And so it also came with the accessories here. I have the accessories off site. So yes, the Ruvati came with the solid hardwood cutting board, a prep station, and also I want to reiterate, it's a double tier sink. And there's the square colander, really heavy duty. I mean, you guys are really gonna like this. And these are the mixing bowls. The mixing bowls, yeah, they look awesome as well. They wrapped everything really well, guys. I mean, Ruvati was not playing. It definitely lived up to my expectations so far as the packaging is concerned. Yeah, it was just really tough to get out of there. Talk about bubble wrap for days. And this is just the round bowls. So you got a regular bowl to, I don't know if you into making salads. And they also have the colander. There's the round colander. If you're into pastas, oh, you can just do so much with this. I'm totally looking forward to this. And there's the lids for the colander and the other bowls. So if you're having those large dinner parties, everyone can just come on in and come on around and help themselves. I mean, this sink is perfect if you're into entertaining. And this is the rectangle. Oh no, this is the square colander. Like I said, it's really good quality. And the cutting board, oh my goodness, this thing was so heavy. Solid wood. And this is the other board for the bowl, which is gonna hold the bowl in place. Or your colander, whichever one. And this is the rectangle colander. So if you want to do your veggies or your fruits, yeah, this is going to be perfect. I'm totally excited about this. And this right here, I believe this is just like the drainage for the sink. So I guess, like I said, everything goes packaged very well. Ruvati, I mean, I give you guys like a 10. You guys did awesome with this. And of course, it's made in the USA. Very important. You guys can get this off of Ruvati.com if you guys are interested. I got mine at Home Depot. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. Thank you.